Over a century ago, a remarkable woman named Georgina Duka Tesla lived in Lika. She was more than just a mother, she was an artisan, a healer, and an inspiration. This Lika bag, crafted by Duka herself, showcases her extraordinary skill. The delicate patterns and silver threads are a testament to her meticulous craftsmanship. Legend has it that she was so adept with her hands, she could tie a knot in an eyelash with just 2 fingers. Nikola Tesla, one of history's greatest inventors, often spoke of his mother with deep admiration. He credited his inventive genius to her, describing her as a true genius in every sense. Duka's courage was unparalleled. At the age of 16, when a deadly plague struck their land, she fearlessly entered a neighbor's home, bathing and preparing the bodies of the deceased for Christian burial, all while her father was away administering the last rites. Though no photograph of Duka Tesla has been preserved, her legacy lives on through the memories of her son and the beautiful artifacts she created. She was a beacon of strength, skill, and love, a true inspiration to Nikola Tesla and to us all.